Hello guys, welcome to the Mindful Abundance. I'm Kushi and this channel is all about creating a mindful abundant life you desire. Last year when I began my deeper journey towards minimalism, I decided to create a space in my home and life for positivity, hope and joy. That's when I took a deeper look into our second room, which is quite small, and made up my mind to transform it into a place that would give me and my family a happy vibe, a place that will help me be more creative and productive. So come along, let me show you my very simple and minimalist home office tour. The entire makeover was done against the cost of reselling my bed, except for the chair as we wanted it to be comfortable and long lasting. Trust me, for such a medium price range, it's totally worth it. As you enter, there's a floor bed in one corner and a money plant on the window. I actually roughly painted the grills and old table shelf to white myself. Then there's my work desk. These days it's mostly occupied by Nishant during the day and evenings, and I work here during early mornings, late evenings and night. In one of these pull-out drawers, I keep my sticky notes, highlighters and stationery. In the other one, I keep my mic, earphones, memory card, Kindle and small items that are mostly related to shooting and recording. The cabinet here has all of my notebooks, my old journals and diaries with lots of scripting for videos, video ideas and other content creation ideas. These are mostly old notebooks from the time when I was in corporate. I have repurposed almost all of them. I also keep my DSLR and webcam here. There are also some spare light bulbs from the time when I did not have a studio light for shooting. The natural light in our home is quite less and I heavily rely on additional light. This is what I'm currently reading from Harvard Business Press. It's a book on emotional intelligence and mindfulness. In this journal, I've taken notes from various trainings and online certifications that I've done. I like to write things down for better understanding and insight. This is the diary where I have all my meal planning recipes and ideas. This is my bullet journal for 2020. However, I've not been very consistent with it in the first half of the year, as New Year didn't really start on a great note. My baby was sick almost all of Jan and Feb. I was stressed and anxious, and then COVID situation happened. I will definitely be more regular with this now. This book is where I brainstorm my plan, vision, and things that I want to work on. You must be thinking I'm crazy to write down so many things in multiple books, but trust me, it helps a lot to translate your thoughts and ideas onto paper, where you can see them and figure them all out. I guess creating a happy place is always in our own hands, whether it's small or large, on budget or luxurious. The only thing that matters is the right vision and the courage to take charge of the situation. I'm a big fan of Harry Potter and I totally believe in magic. This is another quote that reminds me I can indulge in self-care, dream big, and be a fabulous mom. All of these things can be mutually inclusive. I'll leave the link to all the products in case you want to check them out. By the way, this pin board was Nishant's choice, and I absolutely love the old rustic vibe of it. No doubt there was resistance from others and my own self when I started the vision for this room, but the idea was to keep going and creating something from the scratch, some place I could sit and focus on what I truly want from life, beyond being a wife, a mom, a daughter-in-law, and millions of other roles that I'm blessed with. This is the place that started all the fire in me to pursue my personal growth and find my purpose in life. It's not the most lavish and huge space, but it's definitely the one that helps me figure out my life and dreams. A humble reminder, no matter what space we have in hand, we can all create our own kind of magic. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Do share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to the Mindful Abundance for more such videos. I'll see you soon in the next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay happy.